I was not ready for the day, so it can always be dark. Where's where's the information at, man? Let's just get the whole thing. How's everybody doing? Like, are we okay? We're here. We made it, guys. Oh my goodness. I had one hell of a day, guys. I had one hell of a day. So many mixed emotions today. Like, I really could cry. I really could cry right now. Live on stream. It's just, and it's like tears of joy. It's totally tears of joy. Because all you guys know, y'all know this. I don't have to tell this to y'all. Clap it up. You be out here working. Like, I've really been trying really hard to stick to these patterns, these ideas that help me become a better person. And there's always somebody trying to push you off the edge, right? I'm here to tell you, don't let them push you off the fucking edge, please, guys. Hang the fuck on. Hang the fuck on. Alright? Clap it up and drop a phone for everyone that's hanging. Dynamite! 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 So, I feel better. We got the music going. There's 3 people watching already. What's up, 3 people? Let's say thanks to the people that were here before. All these lovely people have joined the stream in the last few days. This channel has seen the most growth it's ever seen in a long time. So I'm extremely happy to invite all these people here. My name is Heero. This is the Stranger's Comic Book. Normally I draw here, but today, as the title tells you, I'm gonna be working on my projects. So without any further ado, let's just get into it so we can see where the hell we left off last. Thank you once again to all the people that joined up on the stream. Let's share this real quick, right? Clap it up for sharing it. Clap it up for sharing it.
Would you like to answer a question right at this particular time? Would you like to do that?
We're gonna share this on. Oh shit! I forgot to text my cousin. My cousin back. My bad, bro. Alright, so I texted back so my conscience feels a little bit better. It looks like the stream's running real good. I finally figured it out and figured out how to get it to run. Shit. I don't have access to my other stuff, but that's okay. That's okay. As long as we have the clips, right?
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan.
So yeah, we're sharing this with a few more people. Oh, we're still doing thank yous. Wow, it's a lot of them. All right. All right. So where were we, right? Let's go to the coding screen. This is where we left off. Working on Python. So I have an idea for what my Python project will be. It's way more difficult than the. I was looking at the this. This is like what you need to get this certificate. You got to do it like with on a good faith measure. Arithmetic formatter, time calculator, budget app, polygon area calculator. These are all things that I feel I could probably do confidently. Not now, but when the time comes, you feel me? When the time comes, I'll be ready. All my friends are on. All my friends are on. All right, so I'm excited to get into this part, but we will be able to do these projects in the very, very near future. But for right now, we have a project, so we're actually going to get to code today and probably fix some of the functions. Right? We were talking about building our own function, and I kind of got lost in the sauce because the video was just really not cooperating. Sort of like how my stream isn't cooperating right now. And we're back green. Okay. And it's the internet. It's my internet connection for sure, for sure. But when it starts getting that sub-zero weather, that's when I know the stuff gets real. Hey, 3 people watching with me. Okay. Big Art, what's up? Clap it up for Art, what up? Clap, wait. I don't have, oh, I got to clap it up for Art. Drop a bomb. Art, why is this taking so long to load right now? You just need the exercise, to be honest. What up, Art? You doing all right?
I heard what you said about me a few days ago, yeah.
Yeah. Art, you was talking smack. Art, was you talking bad about me? Art, ain't you a Cowboys fan?
In charge.
Aren't you a Cowboys fan, Art? Or am I putting that on? Am I putting bad juju on you? My bad if I am. Somebody check on Dupla Shane. Heck no. Dang. Just checking. My bad, roommate. Don't fight me. The disrespect. The disrespect. My bad, roomie. I ain't even mean it like that. Yeah, I made a video yesterday about. Yeah, I saw that on Facebook. Disowned them. Disowned them boys. How you get disowned by somebody that loves everybody? I don't think I've seen Dupla Shane angry once in my life. That man, Dupla Shane, said, I ain't done. Made a formal letter. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. So before we actually start this, let's figure out where we left off. And I think this is always a good exercise for me because I stay forgetting. Like, until it becomes like second nature to me, I'll be forgetting how to like log on. So I got my notes and everything. So we'll shrink this out. And we'll come over here to the command prompt and Visual Studio. So we're working in example 3. We're working in Twitch. We're working in example 3, and this works, but it's not. It's my else if statement, but it's the first time I used a dev, and it works, but the calculations of it are wrong. Same name. All right. Where were we? Okay. So yeah, so we got this. So the code works. It's very bad code, but it does work. So that's very important to note. Felt a certain level of pride when I was able to make it work. So let's run it. Let's hit Control S. Then we'll head over to the command prompt. I haven't had a chance to link up with Danny in a minute. Shout out to Danny. We're going to get there though. All right, so we're going to go command prompt. We're going to go change directory.
Bing bang.
Desktop. Now we got that. So CD tab. Tab my way there. Oh, I missed it. It's Python code right there. Let's hit a dir real quick. And the dir's just gonna tell me everything that's in there. Got a lot of free space, clearly. All right, but now we can do what we want to do, which is Python example 3_3.py. And it should run this code no problem. Got it. All right. So entered hours is 100. The rate is $1. So like the code doesn't really work the way I want it to work. But like the dev statement runs, and I just don't know if that's appropriate. So hopefully in this one, I'll rewrite the code based off of how he wrote it and use those as my example points. But now we like at least have a reference point, right? So let's get back into the video. It's about 10. It's a 10-minute project, so if you guys want to do it, here's the link. Put that in the chat if anyone wants to try it out. There you go. All right, let's get started.
Charles Severance. So the example we're going to do right now is exercise 0.6. In chapter 4, this is an exercise where we're kind of taking code that we've already written and redoing it in a way to just prove that we can do it with a function. So it's not like it's going to do anything different. It's going to do exactly the same as before, and we're just going to do it in different ways. So let's go ahead and start up our text editor, Atom. Show you a couple new features of this. It's already been open. Let me sort of open it here again. I'm going to open, get a new window, and then I'm going to open. But what I'm going to do is to open this folder, right? So it's this folder right here, and I'm going to open that. So instead of opening a file, which is what I've been doing so far, I'm going to open a folder. So now you can see all the folders that I have, and they're just exactly the same folders that I've been making under desktop.py4e, and so I can go and look at my previous assignments. The other thing I can do is I can control click on this new folder, and I can say EX exercise 04, 06. Again, I like the 04 and the 06 just so things line up when we get to chapters 10 and 11. That's why I'm naming my files this way. And I'm going to adapt exercise, the code from exercise 3.1. We could do exercise 3.2, but it's longer. The difference between 3.1 and 3.2 was one uses try except and the other one does not. So I'm going to try to start with this one. I always clean up and get rid of that. So here is our time and a half for overtime logic. And I am going to say file save as. So I'm making a copy of it. And I am going to put this
I wonder if
in
we have a version of that. Hold on.
And I am going to.
All right, hold on. Okay. Let's see. Do we even have a copy version to do that, or do we have to rewrite the hell? Let's see. That would have been this one, right? Hours. Yeah, this one. If else. Yeah, we have a bunch of like things printed off. Let's actually test this one. All right, let's see. Might as well test this one. CLS. Clear out everything. We're gonna use payrate.py. So we're gonna go Python. We're gonna say payrate.py just to make sure it works. All right, so we got a time 100. Cash overtime is 90. Okay, so this was the one that me and Danny made. Let's see, where's the one he wrote? Do I have a version of that? Oh, this is the try one that I had. Oh wow, I did a try statement. Look at me go. Night epic hair. Aha. What's up? What's up? Okay, where were we? Let's run this one, the overtime one. Save this. Try. Accept. Print error. Please enter numeric value. All right, so I actually want to try this to see if it actually works. CLS. Let's go Python overtime.py. Enter hours. So let's see what happens if I jack it up 10, 1. Please enter numeric value, and then it starts again. All right, so I know this works. So for our practice sake, let's just rewrite a new one, and we can call it like default. All right, and control save on this one. And we'll call this one base example. So we can always just copy this one if we ever need it. .py. There's some holes in this house. got some interesting news today, you guys. We got some interesting news today. All right, so let's see how much of this I can do from memory. We want to write a code to calculate an else if statement. All right, so we need inputs first, right? All right, this would be a good time for me to write my notes down. Switching out notepads. The Detective Heero in me. Example. This is example. I believe he said it was like 4.6. Building from scratch. Functions. All right, so we're gonna need first inputs for hours and rate. We're gonna need to make them numeric. So that's the float. Then we need to make an if statement, if greater than 40 hours. Then we need the calculations. And that should be like reg. We'll use a lot of the same words. Reg equals FR, the rate, times the FT. Okay. That's for the regular pay. Then overtime pay, OTP, is gonna equal FH minus 40 times FR times 0.5. Little bit of mathing, okay. And then what else do I need? And then like a print, right? Then you can hit them with the XP. TXP, total XP, being reg plus OPT. And then we can make a print statement to print that. Print XP. And then, what's the else? Else is just going to be XP equals FH times HR. And then you can make another print XP. All right, cool. I built my roadmap. Let's begin. So inputs. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. All right. Our inputs. So we need something for float. So hours. Can y'all see this? Hours equals input I'm telling them to write enter hours here. Yeah, enter hours. Semicolon space. Next we can do rates input and we're gonna go enter rate All right, now to inform them that these will be floating numbers. Is that music kind of loud, or is it just me? It was definitely just me. Oh, y'all haven't even heard. Danny was good, my boy. Danny was good, my boy. What's going on? Oh, Daddy, it's so good to see you. Clap it up for Daddy, everybody. Drop a bomb. Give him the whole intro. Danny, you're catching me in the moment of my magic, where I am rebuilding some stuff. But I haven't forgot that me and you supposed to link up. Is tonight a good night? A lot of crazy stuff has been happening to me since I've started this coding adventure. The amount of doors that have swung open is crazy. Let's hit Control S real quick to save this. Legend Killer, what's good, my guy? Clap it up for Legend Killer. Drop a bomb too for him. Let him know. Just getting the coding in, my guy. Just like so much has been going on for me. Float hours. Sorry, not that. And then this is just, it's not an equal. We're just telling them that this is going to be hours. So anytime, anywhere you see those. But I feel like I need an equal sign here. Right? Wait. Oh, no. It's just float. I just need to write float here. Yep, boom, there we go. No, I'm happy to have you guys on, man. Legend Killer, you still on or you playing still later on tonight? Sorry I had to jump yesterday. My brain was like fried. Float. And then this is gonna be just, yo, get off of me. But my boy Danny, what's your status? I definitely want to get this set up. And Danny, I've made up my mind. I'm gonna rebuild my PC from scratch. Rates. I'll hit you up, man. I'll commit to the short term on this half. I definitely need a break after today. Oh yeah. That's all of that has changed. I wanted to just change out my motherboard. Like I was gonna take on a miniature project and switch out my motherboard so I could add more RAM because that would fix all my issues. All my issues is that I don't have enough RAM when I'm streaming. That's why my stream gets really choppy. Like I literally have to shut everything down and use it. Like if I play a sound effect, it will adversely affect my screen. Like I just hit that and my CPU rate, yeah, it literally just dropped off. It went from my CPU ratio went from like 48 available to 12% available just with those sounds. So it's time to upgrade. I was looking at the motherboard size, what I dreamed of. There's no way I'm gonna upgrade to what would be the equivalent of a 2020 computer, seeing as how my computer is like dated back to like 2016. So, and I've like added minor upgrades to it, but I've upgraded it to the extent I could, and the case for it now is just too small. So I'm gonna get a whole new case. Hopefully this channel can get affiliated tonight. Thanks for watching with me, guys, because if we can get this channel affiliated, that's where this money will go. So, all right, we got this going on. All right, so we're done here. So now let's make the if statement. If FH hours is greater than 40. Keep it going. Now we have to make a statement. The statement is regular, so let's just call it reg. Reg equals F hours times FH. No, is it FH? It's F rate. Rates. Hey, stop messing with me, fam. All right, it's not rates, it's rates. Oh, and I just realized y'all can't hear the music, which I apologize for. Hopefully without crashing my computer. Let me check and see why not. It clearly looks like it's just not loud enough. let's move that around. Let's move that to 3. Sound. I'm changing up my sound settings so y'all can hear this. But yeah, so now we have the reg. So, and just to hit Control S there, so we got it saved. Okay. While that's loading, we got F rates, so now we can do the overtime pay OTP, which will be parentheses reg. No. It should be FH hours minus, wait, why is it giving me that as a, oh, I don't have an equal sign here. 2 equal signs there. F hours minus 40. And then we're gonna say times F rate times 0.5. And my total, so we can call this total XP equals OPT plus reg. And then can we make a print statement for that? Shout out to the 5 people watching. I want to make a print statement here because I want to print the total print parentheses pay, so something like pay, I need print pay 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 my spider senses are tingling. Okay, 2 things. One, this is wrong. I get it. Just leave me alone. Just just leave me alone. Get this off of my screen. Okay. I know you're wrong, so I can fix you right. Overtime pay, OTP. Okay. And then what do I want to say? Print XP. I think that makes sense. No, total XP. TXP. TXP. All right, cool. So as this should run. So let's check it. All right, let's go to command prompt. Python. What am I calling this? Base example dot py. Aha. Let's see, 100 hours. Rate of $1. Pay 130. Okay. 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 Are we all in agreement there? Okay, so the code works, so that's good. Now let's make the else statement. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So we know the code works. So that's a good part. So then I told you long ago, check your soul. Oh shit, someone's taking. Okay. So we got that switched over. Let's see if this helps. There it is. There she is. All right. So the else statement, else is just gonna be XP total XP. No, shit. It can't be total XP. It has to be reg. Yeah, it has to be just. Oh, we need a whole new one, so we can just call it XP. XP equals F hours times F rate. Make it a print statement. Get the right signs in there. Equals I'm kind of confused why print isn't part of that, but I'm not going to ask too many questions. Print, same thing, pay, XP. All right, Control S. Let's run it again. So now let's see if it was 39 hours at a rate of $1. All right, cool. So the else if statement works. Control S. All right, cool. And this time it only took me 15 minutes, so that's cool. Oh wait, Danny never responded. Let me reach out. Oh, Danny, you're here. I was just asking you. About to ask you. I was about to hit you up on Discord to see if you had time tonight to jump on and kind of get this set up. But I don't have. I don't know what this is at the top. I didn't put that there. Yeah, if you unseen, yeah, I don't need that. So, yeah, if you got time now, we can do it now. Because I know, like, once you get busy, my guy. It's hard to catch you. Because like this, like I was looking at the projects for the end of the class, like I'm 14 out. Those aren't gonna be, yeah, the projects that I'm looking at that are online, they're not gonna be like difficult projects for me. So like I feel like they'll be challenging, but it'll be a step by step. It's my ability to be creative with my projects that's gonna make this is gonna be a challenge. Like I'm not gonna impress anybody with a goddamn calculator. Sorry. Maybe some people. Let me get on Discord. I'm so happy I got this whole streaming issue resolved. Because I was struggling the other day. Struggling. Danny, do you want to be on Discord? If you don't want to be live, let me know. I'll take you off before I jump on. All right, cool. let's catch up with Danny. Let's get in the room real quick. But yeah, I'm excited to build my PC. Me and Art gonna be working on that. I'm gonna drag Arthur through it. He ain't asked for it. He ain't asked for it, but we gonna do it together. Cause we Danny, my man. Danny, what's up?
Yeah, I'm back in LA now. Things got crazy. And then when I got back, I was gifted the news that my computer PSU had died. So,
welcome back to America, bro. The land of the problems and multiple issues.
yeah, it's all right. We're all straightened out now. Good to go.
That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm happy you made it back. Got to be with the family. Got a little break. Hey, you know what? That little break downtown was useful, but I know how much you enjoy your work. So
It's true.
We
Yep.
definitely missed you on the stream.
Yeah, well, I'll be back. I had today off, but I'll be back at it tomorrow. So I'll probably be missing in action again for a while, but try to be on in the late evenings or the weekends if I can.
Yeah, that's the only time I'm gonna really have time to practice, unless I get this this gig going on. But we'll focus on that for another time. For now, all right. So last we left off, I just remember that I downloaded a program that required me to reset the computer, and that's where we just was like, all right, we'll pick this up tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now we're working on the parts that integrate.
Since then, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's see where we were. Pull the page back up, and
I'm gonna go to the chat that we had.
So you should have installed the Windows subsystem for Linux. That should be
Yes.
present now, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, see if actually I'm on my Windows machine now. So let me see if I still have it. Yeah, I do. So I think I can just launch Ubuntu. Yeah, so it shows up in my if I just hit the Windows key and then just search for Ubuntu, it shows up as just like an app that's installed, and then when I click on it, it'll open up the command line interface for the subsystem.
Ubuntu?
Ubuntu.
Negative. That is not on my system.
Interesting. So you did install the subsystem. Pretty sure we had done that last time.
Yeah, that was because I remember it said it needed a restart. Let me go to my program files and see where I last left it. I told you on the road. All right. Yeah, that was all the way back on the 7th. VS Code user setup.
Okay, open up PowerShell.
PowerShell?
Yep.
Alright.
And I'll
Yeah,
paste.
that was PowerShell was the last thing we did.
Alright. So this should tell you the version that you're running if you run the command. I just posted it in Discord in the live chat channel.
PowerShell.
So if you run that in PowerShell.
Alright. Alright, so if I run this in PowerShell, it'll tell me what version I have. Alright. For Linux has no install distribution. Distribution can be installed by visiting Microsoft Store, aka So I'm about to go to this website. It says, yeah, Windows system subsystem for Linux has no install distribution. I could have swore we did that.
We did too. Okay.
So I'll just
Run.
copy this.
So let's redo the install then. So that should work. If you run that command.
All right.
In the PowerShell. It's 2 as your default.
Oh, bunch of code. All right, we get to the end. Unregistered distribution, delete root files, running, quit.
Any chance you could share the PowerShell?
Already on it. I was like, I feel like someone else needs to see this other than me. Alright.
Yeah, maybe it just didn't install the first time for some reason.
Alright, come on. Give me a second, let me rescale this. So we can go here. And then let's get this part opened up for you. So can you make that out as far as text size?
Sorry, I think it was muted. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. I think it's cut off a little bit on the left, but.
Oh, okay. Let me. All right, it should be pretty sized up now. And then scrolling all the way to the bottom, this is what I got. Termination of specific distribution, changes to version specified distribution.
So do WSL space dash L. So
WSL space dash L.
WSL space dash L, yeah. So you're just listing which ones you have.
Has not installed distribution.
You did the underscore, do a hyphen. Minus sign.
Oh, my bad. WSL. You said space.
But I think dash L.
WSL space hyphen. Oh, yeah, same thing. Install distribution.
All right, so yeah. Do some All right, so I think we do need to go to the Microsoft Store then. So we go to Store.
All right.
And then search for. Okay, I think
Microsoft.
I will send you a link actually.
Okay.
You just give me a sec to the exact one that you should get.
Oh man, oh man. Stress is here. I wanna be a
I was born in it, molded by it.
Thanks for that, Bang.
Yeah, I posted a link to it.
Okay, cool. I'll grab it from the chat real quick.
Okay, I think I do vaguely remember doing this. Turn Windows. Okay, so hit the Windows key and type. It should take you to the control panel.
Hit the Windows key and type.
Type turn Windows features on or off. I think this might have been what was
Control
missing
panel.
before, possibly. Yep. Titled Windows Subsystem for Linux. You want to make sure that's checked. You see it?
Oh, my computer's pulling it up now. I'm running on all cylinders right now. Okay, it says turn on features, select checkbox. You said which one am I looking for?
Down at the bottom, Windows Subsystem for Linux.
Okay.
You want to make sure
it's loading a bunch of stuff, so
that's
once it gets there, we'll be
check
in
marked.
there. We got the. We gonna be there, guys. We almost there.
You get it?
Oh, yeah!
No, not yet. It's still loading. I don't know what it could possibly be loading.
Maybe we should. Would it go faster if we turn stream off?
Yeah, probably that'd be
what's-
probably the best bet.